Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put y go to the left and you got about negative y. Next, we divide both sides by s. Now, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So, I need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over s, this is about integrating factor, so we put this one go in here. The integration of 1 over s, you got about ln of s. Later that we put negative go inside about natural log in here. And that's about ln of s to the power of negative number 1. So we simplify that's about s to the power of negative number 1. And this one that's about 1 over s. So we multiply both sides by this one. So this one you got about s, because s square divided by s, you got about s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So, we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. Now, if we look carefully, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This is about first derivative of v multiplied by u. So, if we do this integration, you got about y equals to uv. The integration of this one, you got about y multiplied by 1 over s, so I can write into y over s. The integration of s, you got about s squared over 2, and we put about c. Negative number 10 divided by 2, you got about negative number 5s squared. Next, we multiply both sides by s. Now, we have the condition. That's about this one. So, that means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 80. So, we put the value number 1 in here. Number 80 go in here to find about c. Now, we need to simplify. This one you got about negative number 5. This one you got about c. So, I will put negative number 5 go to the left. And you got about 85 equals to c. And now, I will change 85 go in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.